It's now October, and as we move from autumn into the cooler months, the team at Gourmet Ads has refreshed our seasonal segments, all powered by contextual targeting technology tuned for food. We open November with Singles Day on the 11th of November, then Thanksgiving takes center stage. Audiences dive into turkey brines, stuffing debates, pie tutorials, wine pairings, and hosting checklists. All for the ultimate Thanksgiving meal with sides, desserts, beverages, and entertaining essentials. Black Friday converts that intent into baskets as shoppers hunt kitchen gadgets and big box appliances, align with deal pages, circulars, and comparison roundups. Cyber Monday extends the momentum online. Gift hampers, countertop gear, and bulk pantry top-ups, closing the weekend with measurable sales. December brings Hanukkah, brisket, sufganiyot, oils, and kosher-certified staples, tight, intent-rich queries across recipes and how-tos. Christmas is the peak food occasion. Baking marathons, roast centerpieces, cheeses and chocolates, sparkling beverages, grazing boards, and giftable food, synced to recipes, supermarket lists, gift guides, and last-minute hosting. Running all season, Winter Warmers track soups, stews, roasts, and mulled drinks, comfort cooking that heats up as temperatures drop. Looking ahead, New Year splits in two. Party menus for New Year's Eve, then a January reset. Think healthier snacks, low-alcohol options, meal prep, and pantry refresh. All our seasonal segments can be activated programmatically via deals or through our managed campaigns team. We can even build custom segments around your brand, competitors, or any niche. To get started, talk to your Gourmet Ads account manager about the right mix, flighting, and custom audiences.